The ultimate PC action games, top 10 of all time. From explosive firefights to intense battles with monsters, the world of PC action games has produced some of the most adrenaline-pumping experiences in gaming history. Today, we're counting down the top 10 greatest PC action games of all time, the ones that redefined the genre and continue to captivate millions of players around the globe. Let's dive in. Doom Eternal. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Doom Eternal. This 2020 masterpiece takes everything fans loved about the Doom series and cranks it up to 11. It's fast, furious, and absolutely brutal. The game's fluid combat system keeps you on your toes, demanding precision and strategy with every move. If you're looking for non-stop action, Doom Eternal delivers. Apex Legends. At number 9, we have Apex Legends. This free-to-play battle royale changed the game with its hero-based mechanics, introducing characters with unique abilities that added new layers of strategy. With its smooth movement, fast-paced gunplay, and an ever-evolving map, Apex Legends continues to be a fan favorite in the action gaming space. Max Payne 3. Next up at number 8 is Max Payne 3. This gritty, cinematic action game revolutionized third-person shooters with its signature bullet time mechanic, allowing players to slow down time and unleash devastating attacks on enemies. The dark story, combined with intense gunplay and smooth animations, makes Max Payne 3 an unforgettable experience. Metro Exodus coming in at number 7 is Metro Exodus. Set in a haunting post-apocalyptic world, Metro Exodus combines survival horror with gripping first-person action. It's a game where every bullet counts, and players must navigate harsh environments filled with dangerous mutants and ruthless enemies. The open-world exploration adds depth to this immersive, action-packed experience. Titanfall 2. At number 6, we have Titanfall 2, a game that raised the bar for first-person shooters with its seamless blend of pilot and mech combat. The fast-paced movement system, combined with thrilling firefights and jaw-dropping set pieces, makes Titanfall 2 a standout title in the action genre. Its single-player campaign alone is worth the price of admission. Far Cry 3. Coming in at number 5 is Far Cry 3, a game that redefined open-world action with its lush tropical setting, unforgettable villains, and explosive gameplay. From hunting wildlife to taking down enemy outposts, Far Cry 3 offers a perfect blend of exploration and intense combat. The story's psychological twists add depth to this action-packed adventure. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. At number 4 is The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. While it's more often celebrated for its role-playing elements, the action in this game is nothing short of spectacular. From fluid sword combat to devastating magic attacks, every fight feels dynamic and engaging. The vast open world, filled with monsters and bandits, provides endless opportunities for thrilling battles. Half-Life 2. Taking the third spot is the legendary Half-Life 2. This game revolutionized the first-person shooter genre with its groundbreaking physics engine, immersive storytelling, and heart-pounding action. Whether you're battling combine soldiers or using the gravity gun to manipulate your environment, Half-Life 2 remains a timeless classic in the action game pantheon. Red Dead Redemption 2. At number 2, we have Red Dead Redemption 2. This sprawling open-world game might be known for its story and characters, but its action sequences are second to none. Whether you're engaging in epic shootouts or participating in wild horseback chases, Red Dead Redemption 2 delivers cinematic action moments that rival any blockbuster movie. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And finally, at number 1, the king of competitive action games, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. CS::GO is the gold standard of tactical shooters with its precise gunplay, deep strategies, and intense matches that require razor-sharp reflexes. It's a game that has stood the test of time and continues to dominate the esports scene. And there you have it, the top 10 greatest PC action games of all time. From legendary titles that shaped the genre to modern masterpieces, these games are must-plays for any action fan. What's your favorite action game? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming countdowns. Thanks for watching.